Hi. Often people do not start new things because they do not know where to start with. And then they procrastinate and procrastinate and procrastinate. Actually, buying a property in Berlin is no exception from this rule. Often people do not know how to buy a property. How does a buying process in Berlin looks like? So I prepared here a 10-step guide to buy a property in Berlin. So let us start. Step number 1, try to understand your needs. Do you buy a property to make an investment, or do you buy a property to move in with your family? Let's say you want to move in. Great. Then in which borough, neighborhood should the property be located? Let's say in borough Mitte of Berlin. Great. How big should this property be? Let's say 70 to 80 square meters. Great. How many rooms? Let's say 3 rooms. Which floor? 4th floor. Then with elevator or without elevator? With balcony or without balcony? How many toilets do you want to have? With cellar or without cellar? With parking lot or without parking lot? I would advise you to take a sheet of paper and to make 2 columns. To the left, please write your musts. And to the right, write your wants. And actually, you don't buy a property where one must at least is lacking. But you can buy a property where wants are lacking. Then you're ready to go to the step number 2. Go to the banks. Bank number 1, bank number 3, bank number 5, number 10. Try to talk to them about the financing, about the mortgage. And the principal idea is the bank should give you as much money as possible that would cost you as little as possible. After you have received your offers from the banks, go to the private mortgage advisors, to the second, to the third, to the fifth, and the same idea. Try to get as much money as possible, as cheap as possible, and try to get it in simple written letter. Then go to step number 3, start your search. Go to Immobilien Scout 24, go to Immowelt, to eBay, go to your network, to your friends, talk to people. And go to step number 4, start making viewings. Go to the flat. Don't buy anything without having seen the property, without having visited it. Smell it, see it, touch it, look at every corner. Once you found the flat you like, go to step number 5, make a written offer. When your written offer has been accepted by the owner, go to step number 6, request the documents and bring the documents to the lawyer of your choice and make due diligence. The lawyer costs some money, but it's really worth doing because otherwise the mistake can be very expensive. So if the lawyer have checked your documents, the documents of the flat, and didn't find anything severe, go to the step number 7, return to the bank or to the private mortgage advisor and finalize your mortgage. Get a letter. Then go to step number 8, find a notary and make a draft purchase agreement. With this draft purchase agreement, return to the lawyer and let him check and make, if necessary, any corrections. Then you're ready to sign. The notary makes an appointment where you and the buyer make 2 agreements. You sign one agreement with the buyer and you sign another agreement with the bank who gives you money. Then it's step number 8. Then the work of the notary begins. Notary checks 3 things. First thing is the debt of the seller with his mortgage bank. Second check is the debt of the flat with the managing company. And 3, debt of the seller with the authorities, taxes. And the notary will also check either you have paid the purchase tax. Once these 3 and 1, 4 things are done, the notary goes to the step number 9, payment. You and your bank will get a letter from the notary that everything has been checked and now you need to pay. Once you have paid and the seller has confirmed the payment, you go to step number 10. You move in with the protocol to your new flat. Congratulations. That's it. Subscribe to this channel, give us your likes, share this video and subscribe and comment. Bye.